In this video, we will cover 4 different ways to join a Google Meet, as well as some important guidelines to consider. For optimal performance with Google Meet, we recommend that you use Google Chrome. If you are unsure how to download Google Chrome, you can reference the knowledge-based article linked in the description. There are a number of ways that an organizer may create a Google Meet session. If your organizer sets up the session as a calendar invite, then clicking on the event will bring up an info tab. Here you will find a link to the meeting. You should also receive an email notification associated with the event. This notification will include a link to join the meeting as well. Your organizer may also choose to share a link to the call via email, or post it to their Moodle site. If this is the case, you can simply click on the link to be placed in the call. If your organizer provides you with a meeting code or nickname, you can venture over to meet.google.com. Upon clicking Join or Start a Meeting, you'll be prompted with a space to enter the meeting code. Doing so will add you to the meeting. Google Meet will also provide you with a list of your upcoming events. From this menu, you simply need to click on the event to join the meeting. You also have the option to dial in from your phone for audio-only access to a Google Meet video meeting. Dial-in information can be found on the Info tab of a calendar event and on email notifications regarding the event. To join a meeting using this method, simply call the number provided and enter the PIN when you are prompted by the answering machine. When joining a call, always be mindful to dress and act appropriately. Organizers may choose to record and upload their sessions for future reference, and even after your organizer has left the session, the recording may still be in progress. In many cases, your organizer will be the only one who will need to speak during a meeting. It may be a good idea to mute your microphone or turn off your camera when you enter a call, especially if you are calling from a noisy environment that may be distracting to others. Upon joining a meeting, you will see toggle buttons for your microphone and camera on the interface at the bottom of the screen. Note that after 5 people join a meeting, microphones will automatically be muted as people continue to join. Now you should have all the information you need to join a Google Meet. If you have any additional questions, check out the resources linked in the description or contact ITS.